So in this video, you'll learn how to use the camera flash on your Samsung Galaxy A36. So start by opening the camera app, and then in order for you to access the camera flash feature, you need to tap on this menu icon that you see on your screen. Once you tapped on the menu icon, you should see this flash option, so you want to tap on it. You now have three options whenever it comes to your camera flash. You have off, auto, and on. So if you ever want to switch on the camera flash, just tap on the on option. And then from here, whenever you take a photo, the flash will always be on, whether you're in a well lit area or in a dark area. If you want to switch it off, just tap on that icon again, select off, and now whenever you take a photo, the flash will no longer be activated. You also have the option of setting it to auto, so you can tap on this auto option here. And now, based on the lighting of your surroundings, it will either activate the camera flash or leave it turned off. So right now when I try to take a photo, you'll see the camera flash is not working, and this is because there's enough light for me to take a proper photo. However, if I put it down, facing downwards like this, you'll see the flash feature is turning on. So now whenever I press on the shutter button, the flash will appear so that the photo can be taken nicely. And there you have it, the flash and then the photo being taken. Again, if I go back into a well-lit area, whenever I take a photo, the flash is no longer activated. And so that's how you can use the camera flash feature on your Galaxy A36. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.